Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you get Binance gift vouchers? It's going to be really simple, so bear with me in this one, right? So on your Binance, you just basically, wait, let me just scroll a little bit on this side right here. You can just basically go to a specific tab here. You have to click on this one right here, and on the Binance gift card, as you can see, 500 USD, you can basically click on accept, and in here we have Apple Pay, Visa, on how much you want to pay on this one. Just basically click on buy now, or basically add to cart if that's what you wish. So let's click on buy now, and in here view card, you can basically check out if that's what you want. So that's how you get the Binance gift card, right? So again, this side is the gifty code. So this is the process. Click on apply coupon if you have one. Click on proceed to checkout if that's what you want. So that's how simple and easy it is. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.